Hi everyone, today my recipe bottle gourd recipe. Take a half kg of bottle gourd, wash well 1 or 2 times and then peel it. Cut the edge, then peel the bottle gourd. This is very tasty for rice or roti. After peeling, cut into small pieces. This much size is enough. I already soaked 1 hour bag chana dal, 1 cup. Remove the water, then transfer to cooker. Add bottle gourd. Add 1 cup of water. Add salt, turmeric, chilli powder, 1 tablespoon oil. Then close and cook for 2 whistles. In winter we need to drink hot water only. I already chopped 1 tomato and ground 3 tomatoes and 3 onions chopped already and 3 to 4 garlic cloves chopped, 2 green chillies sliced. Now adding the masala, take a bowl and add turmeric, salt, chili powder, coriander powder, roasted cumin powder and kasurimethi. All ingredients measurements are available on description box as well as comment box. Heat the kasurimethi, then crush with hand. Add 2 tablespoons of 2 tablespoons of water, then mix well. It will be soaked until we add to curry. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and add 1 bay leaf, cumin seeds, fennel seeds and 1 red chilli. Fry them, then add chopped garlic. Roast well the garlic. Now add green chilli and chopped onion. Once onion fried, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Once fried, add the mixed masala. Fry the masala 1 or 2 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of water. Again fry it 1 minute. When it turns to thickens, then add a tomato puree. In same process, fry the tomato puree too. Once oil released, then add half cup of water and add chopped tomato and close and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now check the bottle gourd and chana dal. It's cooked or not. If not cooked, again cook for 2 to 3 whistles. It's softened, then mash lightly. Now we add the chana dal bottle gourd to our curry and add 1 cup of water. Mix well. Check the salt consistency. If not enough, add little bit. Then close and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Everything will cook together. Now we add half teaspoon of homemade garam masala or 1 teaspoon of shop made garam masala and finally coriander. Now serve with rice or roti. It's very tasty too. Rice. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. You can do this recipe for lunch box too or breakfast or dinner. Thanks for watching.